Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be having an online class vlog since today is Thursday and I only have online class until Saturday. So basically, dito lang ako sa bahay for 3 days. This week is gonna be the last week for normal days kasi next week exam week na namin. The reason why I'm doing this because I wanted to share with you guys kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko dito sa bahay kapag online class lang ako. I don't actually shared with you guys yet kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko talaga. Kasi like yung full detailed, hindi naman to yung everyday na nangyayari sa life ko, but this is the things na, ginagawa ko talaga. Not everyday, but kung kailan ko lang talaga maanuhan. But yeah, this is how I do when my classes are all online. And yeah, I'm gonna be filming for 3 days until matapos yung online class namin this week. And then, ayun, let's see kung ano mangyayari sa mga bawat araw ng pag-vlog ko. And I guess I'll see you guys later and let's get started sa online class natin. So, ayun lang. Alright guys, hi. My classes, like my first two classes are all done. So, ang next kong class na is mga 5:30. So, I will not be writing notes now. May kailangan akong gawin. So, I have like task para sa group activity namin. So, kailangan ko muna tapusin yon. If maaga ako matapos, I'll try my best na mag-notes. Pero tamad ako eh. So, baka bukas na lang if ever. So, ayun. Let's see kung ano mangyayari. Basta I'm gonna do my task for today kasi bukas na tapasahan nito para, wala na akong gagawin for the rest of the day. So, let's do that. See you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. So, today is Friday and it's currently putik. And it's currently 8:53. So, I actually don't hindi ko sure if I have an agenda, but for sure dito pupunta yung mga kaklase ko and mga members namin sa statistics kasi we're gonna be practicing yung pag, I just finished my breakfast. I only have one class today which is purposive communication which is actually not so bad kasi dapat we have an impromptu today. Kaso, hindi natuloy kasi nga my teacher needs to discuss a lesson. So, I don't know what happened but yeah, siguro gawa na naghahabol na rin kasi ng lesson, gawa na mag-e-exam na next week. So, I guess that's that. So, I'm gonna make some coffee and manonood ako ng Rambutan ng Section E because yesterday siya lumabas yung bagong episode. So, we're gonna watch it today. Since we don't have anything to do yet, we're gonna do that to relax for a bit before, we'll see. And kung ano mang mangyari, let's just hope for the best. So, ayun, I'm gonna make some coffee and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So, parang hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo, like yung setup ko dito sa bahay pag gumagawa ko ng kape. So, let's do that. Hi guys! So, yeah, dito tayo sa kusina namin. And yeah, we're gonna be making some coffee. So yeah, we're gonna make some coffee. Actually, don't know if gagawa ko ng malamig or mainit na coffee. I guess let's do that. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna drink here, I think. We're gonna use this glass. And ang hirap talagang gumalaw dito ng may hawak-hawak ang mic, to be honest. So, first thing you do is, of course, lalagay muna natin dito um, yung kape. Yan, lalagay din yung kape, tapos lalagyan ng mainit na tubig, tapos tutunawin, and then tsaka mo lalagyan ng malamig na tubig. Ganun lang ako mag-cold coffee. Cold coffee. Alright, so, nalagay ko na yung coffee. Hello! Gusto mo sumama sa vlog? Nag-vlog ako. Anong pangalan mo?
Samantha.
Doon ka lang. So, ayan, pamangkin ko yan, guys. Mas malaki pa siya sa akin, di ba? Alright, once we're done, like, kapag alam mo na na-dissolve yung coffee, lagyan na siya ng malamig na tubig. But, yeah, let's go get some cold water. Ay, putik! Alright, so let's move to the setup. So, yeah, hugas lang ako ng pinggan. We'll see. Nanood na ako ng amo dyan na section E. So, see you guys later! Balikan si Faye. Sabi niya, uy, may dala akong ano, may paborito ko yun. Hello guys. Hello guys, good morning. So, sorry sa voice ko, kakagising ko lang kasi. So, today is Saturday and it's currently 7:51. I have a short meeting at 8 a.m. or like 8:30 for statistics. Parang consultation lang siya. So, gumising ako mga 7:40. Tapos, yun. Um, while waiting for the meeting today, I'm gonna tell you kung ano yung mga agendas ko. I actually need to take a bath before the online class starts kasi we have planned together with our PE members. Meron kaming practice tsaka mag-video kami for our practical exam. So, ang plano namin is after online class, lalarga na kami. Punta na kami sa location and then, ayun, para mabilis kami matapos. And after that, pupunta naman kami dun sa bahay ng kaklase ulit namin to do our work for the art exhibit. So, ano siya, per section, one work per section. So, madami pa atang kailangan gawin. So, we have to be there para makatulong kami. Tapos, ayun, yun lang naman yung agenda ko for today and wala naman na akong ibang class other than statistics. So, ayun, this week has been so stressful and so eventful kasi wala, ang daming nangyari. Hindi ko talaga inakalang gano'n kadaming gagawin and the good thing is ang dami na namin napapasa, ang dami na namin nagagawang mga activities na kailangan naming ipasa on time. So, ayun. Yun lang naman yung agenda ko for today and about yesterday, yung mga pinakita ko sa inyong mga clips is yun talaga yung mga nangyari. Yun yung laging nangyayari sa akin after online class. Lagi ako lumalabas, nakikipaglaro kay Clyde, nakikipagtsikahan sa nanay ko, sa pinsan ko. So, ayun, yun lang naman about yesterday. And naging successful naman yung um, paggagawa namin nung homework namin for statistics. So, as you can see naman. And yeah, I'm just so happy that this week has been successful and a little bit stressful kasi syempre ang dami naming iniisip. Hindi naman siya nakaka-overwhelm, pero ang dami naming iniisip. So, next week na kami ma-overwhelm kasi ang daming gagawin. We have quiz, we have the exam week. We don't know if implementation na ng project namin yung sa NSTP, pero we don't know yet. So, yun na naman. I guess I'm gonna get ready, get my breakfast, take a bath, attend the online class, and then I'll go. Oras na ba? 7:54 pa lang naman. Wala pa atang link. So, yun naman guys.